For further leaks made us think we had to precisely determine where the remaining poorly insulated areas were. Finally, we checked the tiles that were laid by the pool contractor around its basin. After removing them, it turned out they were laid incorrectly. The mortar underneath them was not spread evenly across the entire surface but applied in spots. It is obvious that the lack of a monolithic layer of adhesive under the tiles will sooner or later cause water to appear in it. In the case of our client's terrace, the use of drainage bedding across the entire surface under the tiles also accelerated the water inflow. As a result of the errors we identified, the tiles began to detach and a so-called lipping effect occurred. Particularly in the corners of the tiles, there were noticeable differences in height between them, even several millimeters. The direct cause of this phenomenon was, of course, the freezing of water underneath during the winter period. Therefore, we informed the client that all these tiles needed to be completely dismantled, and then the surface underneath them, around the entire pool basin, should be insulated with NCT mineral mortars. Only in this way could they be properly laid anew. After removing the remaining tiles and exposing the underlying layer, it turned out that the problem was even more serious. Deep cracks appeared on the sides of the pool, through which water flowed down to the technical rooms. Additionally, very many drains and drainage grates did not fulfill their role because they were simply unfinished and did not actually form a water drainage system. Some of them were even covered with tile adhesive and hidden underneath. In such a case, it was obvious that water was entering the technical rooms through the easiest paths, namely through the joints in the drainage bedding, but also the spaces under the tiles and the deep cracks in the pool basin structure.